This product is not compatible with high-trim vehicles. If your vehicle is a mid-trim model, please wire according to the following steps. Connect the power plug. Connect the steering wheel control connector. Connect the CAN data connector. No other original vehicle plugs need to be connected. If your vehicle is the base trim model, connect the hazard warning light connector. Wiring harnesses vary by production batch. If your received harness is equipped with this serial port cable, this is the factory hazard light connector. Connect the female end of this serial port cable to the factory hazard light connector. Then connect the male terminal of the serial port cable to the factory original radio connector. Please note that you need to keep this original vehicle module retained. Remove these 4 screws and take out the module. Once all harnesses are connected, fit this module and the new radio back into place in the vehicle.